Good morning, 8th class students. How are you all? Hope you all fine at your home. So I'm your computer teacher Shifa Moga from California Public School. So welcome back to the video series of your chapter number 1. So today date is 4th June 2020. So in the last video we have discussed the introduction of user interface. So let's move to the types of user interface. So number 1 is CUI. The full form of CUI is a character user interface. So this is the interface of a CUI. So this interface require the user to type commands in order to interact with the system. So there is a restriction, you can say, or a requirement that if you want to interact with the system you have to type the commands over here, which is not a good choice for the beginners, as they have to remember or memorize a good range of different commands. This is not the good idea for the beginners, because if you want to connect with the system, आपको system से connect करना है, you have to remember number of commands, which is not good thing for a beginner. So character user interface is also called a command line interface. It is also known as a command line interface. So it is just a black screen, and over the black screen we have a typing of a blue color, and if you want to connect, if you want to communicate with the system, you have to type the commands, and for that you have to remember multiple commands. So a command line is a space on the display screen in which commands are to be typed by the user. So here there is a cursor here, and you have to, and this cursor is waiting for you to enter the command. Clear? So there are two examples. Number 1 is Unix and number 2 is DOS. DOS is a disk operating system. So these are the two common examples of the CUI operating system. So next is GUI. It's a graphical user interface. What is meaning of graphical? So graphic is a combination of pictures, videos, audios, text, multimedia. So the interface have all these factors. That interface is called a graphical user interface. तो आपके पास अगर पिक्चर्स हैं उस इंटरफेस में, म्यूज़िक है, ऑडियो है, वीडियो है, मल्टीमीडिया है, then that interface is called a graphical user interface. So here is the interface pictures. So window, this is a window operating system and it is graphical in nature. So it is interactive in nature. Different devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. uses to interact with the system. So in CUI here you have to type the command to interact with the system, but in GUI you have to use keyboard and mouse to connect with the system. So see, there is a huge difference. In CUI you have to remember the commands, and here you have to just click with the help of mouse and keyboard. So GUI is more user friendly, as unlike CUI, it doesn't require the user to memorize the command. Instead, the user uses different menus and options to communicate with the system. So there are two examples are Windows and GUI. Oh sorry, window is an example of GUI operating system. So here is the advantages of GUI over CUI. So let's read it. GUI is much attractive and appealing. Agree? CUI is relatively less appealing. That means appealing or attractive, that means कि आपको अपनी तरफ खींचता है that operating system, but it doesn't work like that. GUI is easier to learn and more friendly due to the presence of graphical elements like icons, menus and buttons. इसमें ये सारे factors present होते हैं, but in CUI it is a text based interface. This is, and hence it is not as user friendly as GUI. In the next one, so in the third point, with GUI a user doesn't have to have to learn the complicated commands. Here a user is required to memorize many commands to operate and control a CUI. GUI users have windows, that allow a user to work, view, control and manipulate multiple programs and folders at the same time. So you can work simultaneously on this system, as Windows is a multi-user operating system and CUI is a single user operating system. So it doesn't offer you the same ease and ability to work with multiple programs and at once on the screen. GUI supports both mouse and keyboard, but CUI supports only keyboard. There is no need of mouse to use in this system because we have to just type the commands. In GUI, the user mostly gets immediate visual feedback of the action he's doing. For example, the user can see immediately that a file is successfully moved from one directory to another. If you want a task, if you are doing some task on the computer, so it gives you a notification about the work to be done. तो ये आपको बताता है कि आपका काम हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, सक्सेसफुल हुआ नहीं हुआ. सो देयर इज़ अ विजुअल फीडबैक, बट इन दिस सिस्टम यू हैव टू टाइप द कमांड टू कन्फर्म कि मेरा काम हुआ या नहीं हुआ. So in GUI, multiple tasks can run simultaneously at a time because this is a multi-user operating system. So you can simultaneously do more than one work, but only one task can be executed at a particular point of time in CUI. So there is advantages of GUI also. It doesn't mean GUI has no limitation. It has limitation. इसमें भी कुछ गलतियाँ हैं, इसमें भी कुछ limitations हैं. So let's discuss about them. So GUI require more resources to load the various graphical elements. इसमें resources आपके ज़्यादा लगते हैं because it's a graphical user interface. But it uses less system resources as compared. इसमें कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. There is no need of your attractive input and output devices. आपको ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं चाहिए इसमें. So GUI is still a bit slower than CUI as it uses both mouse and keyboard to navigate and control. इसमें of course GUI is a slower one as compared to CUI because you use both to navigate and control. What is the meaning of navigation? Navigation means to move. So CUI makes use of only keyboard for navigation and operation, then resulting in the faster performance. GUI occupies much larger space of hard disk as compared to CUI. So this is GUI uses lots of resources. तो इसको हार्ड डिस्क में रहने के लिए मेमोरी भी ज़्यादा चाहिए. क्लियर? बट इन CUI टेक अप स्मॉलर हार्ड डिस्क स्पेस. इसको कम चाहिए, इसको ज़्यादा चाहिए. So GUI require more RAM to run. What is RAM here? It's random access memory, that is your primary memory. तो इसको ज़्यादा चाहिए काम करने के लिए. As we know that the current processes जो हम जैसे हम करंटली कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, किस मेमोरी में काम कर रहे हैं? वी आर डीलिंग विद प्राइमरी मेमोरी जब हम काम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर पर. बट उस केस में GUI को रैम ज़्यादा चाहिए, इसको कम चाहिए. So GUI based operating system are more expensive as users have to pay the license fee. So this operating systems, GUI operating systems are more expensive. Why they are more expensive? Because you have to pay the license fee for them. So CUI based operating systems are less expensive because here you do not need to pay any license fee. आपको यहाँ कुछ license fee पे नहीं करना पड़ता, कोई फीस नहीं देनी पड़ती. So that is why they are good in that sense. So here we have completed the reading of our chapter number 1. So I hope you have all listened this carefully. So thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.